Hi, my name is Nathan Suazo, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the temperature on an electric water heater. Okay, let's start. So now we're going to turn off the power to the water heater. Now we got lucky today, somebody actually marked which breaker is the water heater. So it's 4 and 6, it's off. Okay, now that we have the power turned off so you don't get electrocuted, we're going to adjust these thermostats. Now this particular electric heater has 2 thermostats, so we're going to have to take off 2 covers and do 2 adjustments. So it's quite simple. Just unscrew this. So the factory preset is 125. We're just going to move it to 130 because it's not hot enough. And yeah, you'll just have to check with your particular system on what temperature you like. So just be careful so you don't scold yourself. Put the cover back on. So after you put the foam protectors back on, then you just put the cover back on. So now we did the upper thermostat, we're going to do the lower one. It's the same process, make sure the power's off. Okay, so now we're going to adjust this bottom thermostat here, and we're going to move it to 130. Okay, it's set, perfect. Put the foam cover back on. And we can turn the power back on and take a hot shower. So now that we made the adjustments to our water heater, we have some nice hot water, we can turn it back on. So that's how we adjust the water temperature on an electric water heater with dual thermostats. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe.